everyone. I just want to do a quick lesson on what you have to finish this week. So we need to go over the transition words. And then remember, on this sheet is where it tells you what you need to do. So you're going to end up moving those yellow boxes on your first opinion writing, and then you can go ahead and add it in your second opinion writing if you would like. And then we need to make sure that we also have a strong conclusion, and we can go through our opinion writings to be sure. It says 2 here. Go through your 2 opinion writings because you should have 2 writings tomorrow. Okay, and then you can submit everything because most of you have, you just need to do your paragraph of the week pictures and then you can submit it. Okay, you have to make sure you have everything done in, let me find it here for you, in this. So you have this paragraph of the week. It should have for you your rough draft pictures, and then Mrs. Horning has fixed most of them except for those who have not turned it in or turned it in after Friday. And Miles, I haven't got to yours yet, but everybody else's is done. And then you want to make sure that in your opinion writings you have chosen 2 from this list here, and you have done 2 writings based upon that. Okay, now for our lesson today, one of them is transition words. So this is what Mrs. Horning had the previous day, which was we worked on our opinion writings and adding a hook sentence. Okay, and then here we have, so this yellow arrow is telling me where to put it. It says to start with, kids have so much they have to learn that they need extra time in school. Another reason, so I am pulling these from right over here, guys. So here's another reason. Another reason we're adding transition words. It's all about those transitions. Another reason, if kids go to school on Saturdays and Sundays, it leaves less time they can waste on television and video games. And then I look, and it's my last one, so I'm looking for something over here that's going to help me. And I have lastly, I have finally, I have most importantly, one last reason, but I just chose finally to insert right here. Finally, kids will also have a better sleep schedule if they don't have any nights to stay up late. And then I have Saturdays and Sundays should also be school days. So we're going to kind of follow the rule of thumb when we are looking at our conclusions, which is next. So it's very similar to this slide here, but let me click on it. And so I have all of those to start with, another reason, and finally, and then I chose not to sum it up, to summarize, or finally, I chose as you can see, and that's kind of Mrs. Horning's go-to one. I don't know why I like that, but it's just kind of like putting it out there. As you can see, my opinion is right. No, as you can see, Saturdays and Sundays should always, or should also be school days. So you're just adding these transition words on sentence 2, 3, 4, and 5 in your opinion writings. Now again, your slide looks a little bit different from mine, but before I show you your slide, I want to show you our final. So this is what it started as. Kids should go to school on Saturday and Sundays. And now it is, having school on Saturdays and Sundays is a terrific idea. And then you can see I highlighted what changed and what added in my final draft. So this is the start and this is the final. Please go ahead and read through this and make sure you can see the adjustments that were made to make it a stronger paragraph. So for your guys's, yours is under opinion writings. You got to click on that opinion writings in your Google Classroom, and remember you should have 2 done. I had an example. Ooh, I forgot. I said I would attach it. So today you are moving these yellow boxes. Okay. So you're going to move these yellow boxes. You're going to type in 1, and if you'll notice here, over here on the side, you can go ahead and you can find those slides. So they're in here still. So you need the top for your transition and the bottom for your conclusion that you are adding today. That is it. So you're moving these for this one, but you should have a second one too. So you have to go through. Look at this stuff. Did I do all of these things in my second one? And when I get off, I will go ahead and post that example from yesterday that I put on there. I totally forgot to do that, and I apologize. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'm meeting some of you here in just a little bit and miss seeing you guys on the screen today. Talk to you soon.